Hey, I want to let you guys know about recurring payments. Why is it important? Because if you want to replace your job, you need money every week.
You get the rhythm. It's like humming. That's right.
So it is so rewarding to know that you did something a year ago and you're still getting paid on it today.
Yeah!
Even if it's a small amount, even if it's like $100 to $200 a month, let's just say you divide that. But let's just say it's $2,000. If you make $200 a month off of one reoccurring revenue situation, then that's like $2,400 a year. You know, think about how many things that you can get with that. That could be like your breakfast every day for a year, right?
Hell yeah.
So take some time. I really want you as an affiliate marketer to really concentrate as much as you can. Concentrate as much as you can on recurring revenue affiliate links, because they will pay off and you will be thankful and grateful that you did that. So anytime you see products that are about recurring, take them on, because ultimately that small investment is going to compound. And you know what you really want to do along with internet marketing affiliate links for recurring investments. So then we can go into crypto or stocks and so forth, okay? Because a little bit, and a little bit. That's exactly what they do when the banks are selling you loans, right? Some loans at like 7%, say it's like a $10,000 loan, they're making about $1,700 a year on you. So let's flip the switch, and this time you're making the money, all right? Stick with me, and Jamie Lou.
Stick with me.
Jump on to emailads.co, scroll all the way down, and join our weekly meetup every Tuesday. At this point on this week, it is Tuesday, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Look forward to seeing you every week. Again, emailads.co, scroll all the way down and click "We want to be part of the crew." And we can go over how to with all the products that we use. Talk to you soon. Bye.